Happy Easter to everyone who recognizes this day. Today I'm making tamarind sauce, also known as tamarind jam. In Jamaica we say tamarind. So when selecting tamarind, be sure to choose the one with wet pulp, as the ones with dry pulp have little substance. Okay, so what I am doing right now is removing the tamarind from their shell. So now I am pouring enough boiling water over the tamarind to loosen the pulp. So I'm gonna give it a stir and then cover it and let it sit on the countertop overnight. The following morning, I am gonna remove the pulp from the seeds and then strain it. I put a pot on medium heat, pour in the tamarind juice, and then sweeten to suit my taste using brown sugar. So on this channel you will see tamarind drink recipe as well, so you can search a channel if you want the recipe. So I am gonna add minced onion, minced pepper, minced garlic to the pot as well, and then a pinch of salt and about 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger. Gonna give it a stir and allow the tamarind juice to simmer until thickens. I do not put spices in my tamarind juice or to make the sauce. No spices, no black pepper, no all-purpose, nothing like those type of seasoning. I rather to keep it fresh and to keep it simple. The tamarind sauce is very delicious on its own, so I personally do not think it needs those spices or anything like that. But to each his own. So now the tamarind juice turns into sauce, or as we also call it, jam. So I'm going to remove it from the heat and pour it into a container.